Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Fix Online. Are you receiving a pop-up message saying Google Play service has been stopped? Then you've landed in the right place. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. While opening up your Google Play service application, if you receive a message that says unfortunately Google Play service has stopped, then the first thing to do is to restart your Android device. Simply press and hold the power switch, and when the shutdown menu appears, tap on restart or power off. Once the device is completely shut down, start it up back again by holding the power button. Now, once your device has been restarted, tap on the Play Store button from the app drawer and see if your problem has been fixed. If that has worked for you, then that's great. If not, the next thing to do is to update the Play Store and Google services. If you have an outdated version of Google Play or Google services, then that might be the main reason for your problem. So, launch open Google Play Store again and tap on your profile icon at the top right. Tap on Manage Apps and Device. If you see any pending updates, tap on the Update All button, which should update all of your outdated apps. This will also update Google Service Framework if an update is available. Once you do that, you might be able to fix your issue. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to try changing between a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Simply go and tap open your settings from your app drawer. Tap on Connections from the settings menu and turn off your Wi-Fi by disabling the button right next to Wi-Fi. Now, enable the button back again, or you can also try switching between cellular data. Go back and tap open your Play Store app and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could consider whenever you are receiving unfortunately Google Play Store has stopped error message. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.